According to the Boyle's law, the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume as long as the temperature is kept at constant. As such, when the pressure increases, the volume decreases, and when the volume increases, the pressure decreases.
Let's use a long model as a method of demonstrating the principle of the Boyle's law, which is pressure is inversely proportional to its volume. As you have seen, when I am breathing air into the bottle, the balloon decreases in size because I am putting pressure in the bottle, which then decreasing the volume of the balloon. Let's do the opposite. What I've done is I've inhaled the air inside the bottle, causing the pressure to drop, which then increases the volume of the balloon. That would be all.
Another experiment demonstrating the principle of the Boyle's law would be a marshmallow inside a syringe. As the plugger is pulled back, the volume inside the syringe increases, causing the pressure to decrease.
In turn allows the air trap within the marshmallow to expand, making the marshmallow visibly larger, essentially showing that as pressure decreases, volume increases, which is the core principle of Boyle's law.